vegan apricot macadamia protein balls using some wonderful vegan chocolate, organic apricots, cashews and macadamias, and some spiced ginger. Now, I'm using a tea which is a rooibos, chocolate, turmeric, ginger and almond, and all of those ingredients are well known for their health-giving properties. There's some vanilla in this as well, and once it's blended up with the dates, it becomes a beautiful sticky mass. Roll them into balls and then into desiccated coconut. Now all of these things are built to boost you as far as health and vitality is concerned, give you that charge you need if you're running or camping or going away, because they'll travel so well. Vegan apricot and macadamia protein balls served with Dilmah's chocolate, ginger and almond tea.